Hello, we are team DJ Santriksh from Dwarkadash J. Sanghvi College of Engineering, Mumbai, India. We are a team of 30 passionate undergraduate engineering students pursuing our dream to build an autonomous Martian rover and participate in various rover challenge competitions around the world. We began our journey in the year 2020. Being from the city of Mumbai in India, which is one of the worst hit cities by the pandemic, working on the project physically has not been possible for us.
Since then, we have been working remotely on our rover design. We participated in European Rover Challenge 2020 remote competition and secured third position. Although the colleges in Mumbai have not resumed, the team plans to manufacture the rover with all the precautions. In the following video, we have showcased our design with all the rover simulations and the plan for manufacturing and testing.
We have designed a 6-wheel double lambda rocker bogie suspension system for our rover. The new bogie design consists of 2 lambda mechanisms which are placed symmetrically to each other, which enables the wheels to move in a straight line but in opposite direction. This new design balances the reaction and the traction forces that enables the rover to traverse an incline, tilt and normal ground condition.
The rover's manipulating device is a 6 degrees of freedom robotic arm accompanied with a 2-finger gripper. The arm consists of 2 linear and 4 rotary actuators placed in positions which provide better load distribution and efficiency. The 2-finger gripper is motor based, which powers and controls the kinematic gripper assembly and motion of the jaws.
For science tasks, we have an integrated in situ lab for detection for different biosignatures. The setup consists of 2 parts. First is the onboard laboratory and the other is soil correction mechanism. For the soil correction mechanism, we are using 6-DOF robotic arm from the equipment servicing machine with an excavator as an end effector.
Along with various tests, the rover is equipped with different gas sensors such as CO2, methane and O2 and the sensors indicating the moisture of the soil. The presence of all these gases will show us the habitability of the environment. We have also integrated a microscopic camera with adjustable focus to study the texture and color of the soil.
Our electronics department works on 3 different aspects of the rover, including the data acquisition, the rover telemetry, and the actuation system. A control system comprises the NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX and the STM32 Nucleo. For science tasks, we have integrated various sensors like the atmospheric sensors, pH, moisture, and gas detection sensors. While for the rover autonomy, we have acquired data through Intel 435i and Z2 depth sensing camera along with the GPS module.
We have implemented the telemetry system using 2.4 GHz Rocket M2 module along with omnidirectional antenna on the rover and a sector antenna on the base station. Rover motion and the robotic arm actuation are implemented using DC servo motors with encoders feedback and will be driven by dual channel motor drivers.
Emergency shutdown button can be actuated with the help of rover shutdown button as well as an RF switch. All the circuit was simulated with Proteus Design Suite software and an industry-level robust PCB was designed on Altium Designer. The power to the entire system is given through the lithium polymer battery.
Coding department of our team is majorly classified into 3 different sub-departments: machine learning for object detection, navigation and robotic arm. For object detection, we have created a data set of different objects for service equipment task as well as delivery task. We have performed annotations on this data set and trained the model on YOLO V5 using PyTorch. We are currently working on improving the accuracy of this data set.
For the autonomous navigation of the rover, we have used the ROS navigation stack. An RTAP mapping algorithm is used along with wheel odometry, IMU data and visual odometry for an RGBD SLAM approach, which generates a 3D terrain map and localizes the rover. Additionally, we have the MoveBase package for path planning and mobilizing the rover. We have tested our navigation approach in simulation using Gazebo.
For the manipulation of the robotic arm, we are using the MoveIt framework provided by ROS. The depth data from the cameras is used to build an occupancy grid, which when combined with the inverse kinematics calculator, is used to safely maneuver the arm to the desired position.
Team marketing does intensive market research and builds potential database. It is also responsible for procuring components and to satisfy other manufacturing requirements from technical team. Due to pandemic, it has been quite a tough time for entire marketing team to arrange monetary funds. But yes, we are devising out ways to crack some in-kind deals so that the rover is manufactured well before the on-site event and it's onto its wheels. So, see you guys at Utah. This was all about Team DJ Santriksh. Thank you.